Good morning students, welcome to this class. Now start, let us practice 5.1, the second one question here students. Write yes or no. Here students, write yes or no. Here 3 is a factor of 12. This 12 number is exactly divide 3. 3 4 is 12 no students, yes no. In 3 1 is 12 no students, otherwise this one is 3 is a factor of 12. Yes, right here, because 3 4 is 12, this 12 number is exactly divide. And here 5 is a factor of 20. Yes no students, 5 is a factor of 20 because 20 number is exactly divide 5. 5 4 is 20. Yes no students, 5 4 is 20. Here right, yes. And 7 is a factor of 63. Yes no students, 7 is a factor of 63. 7 9 is 63 no, otherwise here also write yes. You see there 2 is a factor of 17. 2 is a factor of 17. In 2 1 table 17 students, no, here you write no. 2 is not exactly divide, here reminder coming. Okay, 7 is a factor of 49. Yes students, 7 is exactly divide here. 7 7 ja 49, here right, yes. And 8 is a factor of 56. Yes, 8 7 ja 56, this one is exactly divide. 8 7 ja 56 means here right, yes. And 8 is a factor of 25. No students, here reminder coming. 8 3 is 24 coming, not 25, otherwise you write here no. 4 is a factor of 56. 4 is a factor of 56. In 4 1 table 56 not, but this one is exactly divide. You, this one is you divide, you use here students. 4 and 56. 4 1 ja 4 minus 5 minus 4 1, this one is 6, here right. 4 4 ja 16 no, yes, this one is exactly divide. There right students, 4 is a factor of 56, here right, yes. And here students 2 is a factor of 27. 2 is a factor of 27. No students, 2 is divide, this 2 number is divide all even number, but here 7 is odd number, otherwise here right no is there. And here is 4 a, sorry students, is 4 a factor of the following numbers. 4 a factor of the following numbers. Here 36, this one is 4 factor of 36 number students. Yes students, 4 is a factor of 36 number. 4 9 ja 36 no, here right, yes. And 48, 48 is a factor of, here 4 is a factor of 48 number students. This 48 is, the 4 is a factor of 48, this one is 48 exactly divide. Yes, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, exactly divide no, otherwise you here write yes. And here students, here 104 exactly divide 4 number, you see there 104 and 4 is there. 4 2 ja 8 students, minus you do, which number coming, 2 coming, and another one is there 4. 4 4 6 ja 24 is there. Here exactly divide no, this one, yes, there write you yes. And this 392 is there students. 392 is exactly divide, you see there 392. 4 4 9 ja 36 students, minus 9 minus 6 3, 3 minus 3 0, 2 as it is. 4 8 ja 32 is there, exactly divide no, here remainder is 0. When remainder is 0 coming, that one is factor of 4 number. Okay students, here write yes. And here students, is 5 a factor of the following numbers? Here students, you write 5 on the tables. There only 5, 0, there only 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 50, 50 coming. Here you see there 5 is a factor of the following number. 75. 75 is, this 5 is a factor of 75. Yes or no? Here this one is completely divided students. You see there 75, 5 is there. 5 1 ja 5. 7 minus 5, 2. And this was 5 is as it is. 5 5 ja 25. Yes, this one is exactly divided. Yes, here right students. Yes. And this one also exactly divide. Here 5, here 5 means here 0 coming students. When 0 5 ones place, when 0 5 coming, the fact 5 is a factor of 0 and 5 is all numbers here. Ones place you see there. Ones place is 0, no? Here students you see there 90 and 5. 5 1 ja 5. 9 minus 5, 4 is there. And another one 0 right. 5 8 ja 40. 40 minus 40, 0 is there. Exactly divide, no here students? Yes, that one is there factor of 5 number. Yes, here also ones place is 0 there. Otherwise this one is also yes. And here also ones place is 0. This one is also yes. 1130. The 5 is factors of 1130. You see there ones place. Okay students? And here find out the all factors of. You find out this one all factors of. I explain this one students already. This one is there. This one also same is there students. Okay. Again I explain one is there. 36 is there. Find out all factors of. You write here factors all 36 numbers. Here students 136 ja 36. In 2 1 tables also 36, because here ones place is 6 number. 6 is when even number coming, this one is completely divide. 2 is there. Okay. 2 18 ja 36. You see there students 36. 2 is there. 2 1 ja 2. 3 minus 1, 2 is there. 1 is there. 3 minus 2 1 and 6 here. 2 8 ja 16. Yes no students? 2 18 ja 36. In 3 1 ja tables divide 36 students. Yes, you see there 36 3. 3 1 ja 3 is there minus, and again 6 right. 3 2 ja 6. Yes no? 12 is there. 3 12 ja 36. Here right 12. Again 4 1 ja tables 36 students. Yes, 4 9 ja 36. Yes no students? And 5 1 ja tables 36. No students, 6 is there. When odd, no, sorry, ones place is 5 0 coming, that one coming, not here. This one is 6 number. Again 6 1 ja tables 36. Yes students, 6 6 ja 36. 7 1 ja tables 36. 7 is 30 divide completely. No students. 7 5 ja 35 is there. Here reminder coming. This one is not coming, not exactly divide. 8 1 ja tables. Yes, 8 1 ja tables coming students 36. You see there 36. 8 4 ja 32 is there students. Here 4 coming. This one is exactly not divide. 8 1 ja table not coming students. 9 1 ja tables. Yes, 9 4 ja 36 is there. Okay students, this one is I complete here only. Here 6 6 both also same coming. I told when here cross and cross both also same coming, you stop this one. And again here bottom is both also same coming, I stop this one. I told already 6 6 ja 36 is same coming here students. You see there right here 1 and this one is 2 and 3 4 and this one is 6. And here 6 is here is there already. You write 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are all numbers factors of 36 number. Okay, factors of 36 number. Okay students, and I explain another one is there, 100 is there, the B one is there, 100 here students. You see there 100 ja 100. Yes no students, and 2 1 ja tables also 100 students. Yes no, here even number, this one's place is when even number coming, this one is completely divide. 250 ja 100, and 3 1 ja tables 100. No students, and 4 1 ja tables 100. Yes students, 100 coming here. 4 2 ja 8, 10 minus 8 is 2, and this one is 0 here, right? 20. 4 5 ja 20 is there, 0 0, 25. 4 25 ja 100, and 5 1 ja tables 100. Yes, here 0 one's place is 0. 5 20 ja 100. 6 1 ja tables 100 students. You see there 106. 6 1 ja 6. 4 40. Yes no, 6 6 ja 36. Here 4 coming. This one is not completely divide because here remainder is 4 coming. This 6 1 ja is not coming students, and 7 1 ja also not coming students here. 8 1 ja students 100. 8 1 ja 8. 2 here students, and this one is 0 here, right? 20 coming. 8 2 ja 16. Here 4 coming, remainder coming. This one 8 1 ja also not coming students. 9 1 ja coming students. No, 9 1 ja also not coming. 10 ja 100. Yes no students, 10 ja 100. Here also same, here also same. Okay, this one is right. 100 factor of which number is there students? 1 2 4 5 10. 1 2 4 5 10. This 10 is here already wrote. 20 25 50 100. 20 25 50 100 is there. Okay students, and students this one 80 and 75, this C and D is your homework is there. You practice that one students. Okay.